Thursday, a storm passed through here in Fort Smith. We found out later that 125,000 people in Arkansas lost their power. This is what we did for the 24 hours that we lost our power. We didn't open our refrigerator or our freezer, and when we got our electricity back, we checked everything, and we ended up throwing away a couple of items, but most of the items in our refrigerator was just fine. It was very cool in there. Everything in our freezer was still frozen solid, but a few items in the refrigerator, like some open cream that we had, some open whipping cream, we threw stuff like that away. We had plenty of batteries. We had plenty of candles if we needed them. Of course, we still had our water and all that. A sister of mine who lives in very south of Fort Smith, she just got flickering lights. Another sister who lives in another part of not so southern Fort Smith, she lost her cable and her internet for a couple of hours, and her lights just flickered. Well, this is a video journey of what we did for 24 hours, and we were bored out of our heads, let me tell you. I lost my radio station until 6 o'clock that night, and finally it came back on, but man, it was boring, let me tell you. So, hope you enjoy, and hope you like, and thanks for watching. Y'all, there's been 3 fire trucks, and I can hear another one in the distance. The lady across the street over there with the gray car said something about some explosions. I think it was we don't have any power. Obviously, they don't have any power over there either. So, don't know. fire trucks. 6 fire trucks, wherever that's at. Whatever's going on. Y'all, my batteries are giving out. There's been a total of 6 fire trucks. Okay, y'all, new batteries. I heard several pops. Loud pops. The kind of pops that you... that's when a transformer blows up. The lady across the street, that's the direction that she was pointing, was kind of sort of the direction I was hearing it. There was a total of 6 fire trucks and 4 emergency vehicles that passed by my house. They were going in the opposite direction that that woman was pointing. I think what happened was the wind blew close to my house. The wind blew the transformer or tree on a transformer or whatever the case might be. But I lost my electricity. I haven't had any electricity for 30 minutes now. I lost my gas. I had something cooking in the stove, and my gas is gone. And I lost my radio station. But now my radio station is in my area. So, in fact, by the the crow flies, it's probably just not even a mile that direction right there. So, I guess they haven't got on their emergency transmitters or whatever it is they do yet. But we shall see. I'm not worried. I'm prepared. I think. I hope. Keep y'all posted. Y'all, it's about 4:30. We still don't have electricity. And guess what? I have gas. It's electric start. That's why I thought I didn't have any gas. Well, I don't know what's going on down there, but I still don't have electricity. Well, I don't think y'all can see that, but it is 9:15 and I still don't have electricity. So my electricity's been out since about, between 3 and 3:30. Okay, y'all, I don't know if you can see that, but that says 3:05. So our electricity went out at 3:05. And I don't know if you can see that, but it is 10:35. So we've been out of electricity since 3 o'clock. Okay, y'all, don't know if you can see that, but it's 5 minutes to 11. See if I can get some. 5 minutes to 11. And I still don't have electricity. Well, well. Okay, y'all, don't know if you can see it, but it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My electricity went off at 3:05 yesterday afternoon. And help may be on the way. There's the electric truck to fix the lines. So hopefully.
Best smoke shot by any.
It is 3:15.
If your photo shows off your photography skills.
So that's 24 hours we went without electricity.
Online.com. The cutest kids photography.